very, very important paperwork. I get that back.
Okay, now I know what kind of paperwork it was. That looks like toilet paper.
Now, that's the kind of paperwork I'm talking about. Yes, sir. I gotta get it back here.
Well, we gotta see if we can get you on the ground now. Come on, guys. Back this way. Come on around. No, you haven't got that. Same to you, fella.
Here's you, buddy. Now what? I kind of got it out. What do I do?
What do you do? First of all, stay out of the trees. I don't know how many times I got to tell you that. You got to push the stick kind of over to your left a little bit of rudder pedal. There you go. Try that and see. Get back to the runway.
Art instructor. Now what? I kind of got. Now what?
I think you just head down there. Go back. Don't pull back on the stick.
It was on the chair.
Now you're on the ground. Stay on the ground. Just let it roll just about. Okay.
Gas pedal and rudder pedal.
It's a great video.